It's everywhere. In your living room, kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, the garden, in the office, factory or farm. Wherever you are, there's water. Have you ever stopped to think about it? It's so readily available, just open a tap. It always comes out. So we start to take it for granted. But we really need to start looking at how to use it more sustainably. Little changes to our daily routines can make a big difference for all of us. For example, after a long day, there's nothing better than staying under a nice long shower for about 15 minutes, is there? That would use up over 120 litres of water. Cut that down to a quick 5-minute shower and you've cut your water use down to 40 litres. And you have more time on your hands because you've cut your bathroom time down to 5 minutes. It's that simple. Other small changes. Washing your hands, brushing your teeth or shaving. If you're not actually rinsing anything, then turn the tap off. It's the same with washing the dishes. Don't let the water run. Fill one sink with soapy water and the other with rinsing water. Dip, scrub, dip, rinse. Job done. And if you want to be really water efficient, invest in a dishwasher. Believe it or not, modern dishwashers waste less water than washing by hand. Okay, back to the bathroom. A leaking toilet could waste up to 900 litres a day. So please, check your toilets for leaks. Here's a little trick. Check your water meter at night before you go to bed, and then again first thing in the morning. If your meter reading has changed, then you have a leak. Get that fixed. Remember, a leaking flushing, 900 litres a day. While we're chatting by the flushing, do you have a dual flush? That can save you up to 30 litres per day. Or put a water-saving device inside your flushing so that it flushes less water every time. You see, small changes, no huge investment required, big water savings to our water services. If you are investing in a new bathroom, please spare a thought for water. Efficient faucets, for example. Look for ones that are aerated. This means that they use both air and water. And remember that dual flushing. Okay, now let's take things outside, in the garden. Watering your plants in the early morning or in the evening is more efficient. The air and soil are both cooler at these times, so less water evaporates and more water gets to your plants. Yep, you actually use less water. You can even use leftover kitchen water to water your plants. After boiling your vegetables, use that water for your plants. It actually has nutrients in it. So you see, little changes whenever you come in touch with water will make huge savings not only for you, but for the country as a whole. It really is that easy to think about water. Water. Be the change.
This project is part financed by the European Union under the Cohesion Fund, European Structural and Investment Funds 2014-2020.